Hello everyone, I'm just finished work today and I'm just headed to King Kyle to pick up drywall screws for my mom's house. One question for you. Do you know what drywall hooks are?
Drywall hooks?
Yeah, for big things up.
There's all sorts of like screws and stuff down aisle 27.
27? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm just going shopping for drywalls. Now, try looking for those small ones. I think now I'm just painting this and then headed to going to my mom's house.
Please scan the first item and place it in the bag. Please place the item in the bag. Scan the Canadian Tire mobile app, My Canadian Tire Money, card key fob now to do you have any Canadian Tire money or select your method of payment from the choices shown below. Insert, swipe, or tap your card and follow the instructions on the pin card to complete the transaction.
You can wait, I'm going to start walking.
Follow the instructions on the card reader. Please pick up your Canadian Tire money from the attendant station.
Thank you. Okay, go. Oh, nice. Now I got my drywall screws in this bag. Now I'm just heading to my mom's house to fix up her key hooks. Now I'm just waiting for a bus. Probably will take about 10 more minutes. Hello. How's it going? I just got off the bus now. I'm just heading to my mom's house, drop off the drywall screws, and then go to my house to pick up my computer and then come back my mom's house. Okay guys, I just dropped off the drywall screws at my mom's house. Now I'm just going to my house to pick up my computer and then go back to my mom's house. I'm going to stay my mom's house for one night. I got my computer now. I'm just heading back to my mom's house. Okay guys, I will see you tomorrow vlog. Have a good night. And please subscribe for more photos.